एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, my name is Tashwati and welcome to AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology channel. I'm here with a very special video today. I'll be talking about Virgo horoscope 2021 and disclosing some important details and predictions concerning all the major aspects of your life. So, without any further ado and digressions, let me get started with the predictions. First and foremost, I'll be talking about your professional life. So, according to the horoscope predictions, based on the concept of Vedic astrology, Virgo natives may incur mixed results professionally this year. Saturn will be in the 5th house of your zodiac sign all throughout the year, which will make you distracted and think about changing your job. Especially between April and September, you can make important changes in your professional life. Virgo job predictions indicate that the natives who are employed will be respected and honored by their superiors in between September until November. From November 20th onwards until the end of the year, you will come across multiple opportunities in your career and taking advantage of them is a must. The months of January, March, May are said to be the best for your career. During this time, you are most likely to get the desired job transfer due to the planetary movements being in your favor right now. However, in April, you are advised to take precautions as there are chances of you getting into a dispute with your female colleagues at work, which can damage your existing image. Moving on, let us discuss your finances. So the predictions state that you may have to go through several ups and downs this year. The beginning of the year will be financially weak, but luck will gradually be on your side, due to which an improvement in your conditions will be seen. There are also indications of the transit of Mars at the beginning of the year in the 8th house, which will ensure an increase in your income. Because of this, you will be able to secretly attain monetary benefits. Also, Rahu will be in your 9th house from your sign this year, due to which you will suddenly attain financial gains and your conditions will also get strengthened. How will student natives perform this year? Let's find out. Student natives are going to face some problems in their academic life this year. In such a case, you will need to pay more attention towards working hard, since Saturn will be present in the 5th house of your zodiac sign all throughout the year. With this, you will attain results in exams as per your efforts and hard works. Hence, work harder and seek the assistance of your teachers if needed. As indicated by Education Horoscope 2021, you will feel distracted and won't be able to pay attention towards your studies. As a result, you will have to wait a little longer to succeed in your exams. Moving on, let us now talk about your love life, which will remain favorable during this year. However, you may go through several ups and downs in your love life throughout this year. The beginning of the year and December will prove to be challenging for you. Apart from this, you will be seen drowned in the ocean of love along with your beloved. According to Virgo love and relationship yearly predictions, you are advised not to get into an argument with your lover at this time, otherwise negative effects can be seen in your relationship. The year seems favorable for your health. There will be a subsequent rise in your courage and might, because of which Ketu will be present in the 3rd house of your zodiac sign throughout this year and help to keep you away from minor diseases. Along with this, when Jupiter will also be in the 5th house of your zodiac sign from April 6 to September 15 during mid-year, you will be required to take care of your health in this duration. Otherwise, problems such as diabetes, urinary infection, nerve-related disorders, etc. may arise. Along with this, Virgo natives may suffer from stomach aches, indigestion, acidity, and other problems bothering you all throughout the year. The months of April, August and September are the most worrisome months with regards to your health. Focus on yourself as much as possible during this time. If we talk about your married life, then predictions state that this year seems normal for your marital life. Your spouse will incur a big profit at their workplace in the first 3 months of the year and between September and December, which will improve your family situation. Along with that, your life partner will also help you and you will succeed in earning money or attaining financial gains with your partner's assistance, as it is indicated by the predictions. Apart from this period, the tension between you two will remain intact. Take care of your partner's health as he or she is likely to catch any illness which will impact your marital life as well. A dispute with your in-laws can arise for some reason. In such a situation, be careful while discussing anything or talking about something with the family members of your spouse. If we talk about predictions associated with your domestic life, then they state that the year 2021 is going to be less good for them. At the very beginning of the year, your family will not be seen lending their support to you, but however, during mid-year, your siblings will come forward to encourage and support you. The end of the year will turn out to be good for you as well, as indicated by Virgo 2021. Family predictions, you may get into a fight with a family member in between April and September due to the unfavorable placement of planets, which is why keeping a check on your anger is the need of the hour. So before wrapping up the video, I will quickly give away some remedies which you can easily implement in your day-to-day life and bring some positive changes to your life. So what you can do is that on any Wednesday, you can wear a high quality emerald or panna in a gold ring in your little finger to attain the desired results. To pacify the planets Mars and Mercury, one of the remedies offered is to soak sabut or raw moong dal lentils in water on Tuesday and feed it to a cow or gomata on the very next day. If possible, recite the Shri Durga Chalisa either every day or on Friday to end the financial crisis. On Fridays, offer red flowers and red fruits to the goddess by visiting a Mata temple. Always keep a solid square piece of silver in your purse or pocket. This will definitely help you to earn some positive results. So these were the main highlights of Virgo Horoscope 2021. I hope that this video turns out to be useful for you. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.